Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can set up and use stop loss and take profit order on Kucoin. Now, setting up take profit and stop loss is quite common in future trading. User can set the take profit or stop loss price to control the risk and keep profit while curbing losses. So to set up and use stop loss and take profit on Kucoin, you just have to follow these steps. First thing, you just have to go to log into your account, and when you're logged in, navigate to the trade section that is located right at the bottom. Next, you just have to go and select the order type. So tap on the stop tab, which might be labeled as stop limit, which is located right on top. You can go ahead and press on the limit first of all and go to stop limit. When you've selected that, then you need to enter the price at which you want to stop order to be triggered in the stop price field. And likewise, you need to enter the price at which you want to sell your asset in a limited price. Now this is a price at which the order will be placed once the stop price is reached, and input the amount of asset you want to sell and the amount filled. You can go ahead and place the order. Then you could go ahead and set up a take profit order. So for that case as well, you have to go and log in and once again navigate to the trading interface and do the same procedure, that is go to the order, and then you could go ahead and select target price. So here you could just go ahead and select the limit, and then when you have actually located target limit or target price, then you need to go ahead and enter the price at which you want asset in the limited price field. This is the price at which the order will be placed once the stop price is reached. Now input the amount of asset you want to sell in the amount filled. You could go ahead and place the order, and that is how you could go ahead and set up and use stop loss and take profit order on Kucoin. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.